So in this tutorial, we're going to add a menu up here. And this basically is the same way you would add a menu to just about any WordPress theme or website. This particular video is part of my tutorial on how to build a website with the Beaver Builder theme and plugin. So to get started, there's actually two ways we can do this. First off, if you're following along with the tutorial, I did add some extra pages already to this theme. And you can do that in exactly the same way that we created this homepage. Just go ahead and add a few dummy pages that we're going to use to add to our menu here. So to create a menu, you can either go up here to the Customize button when you're logged into the back end of your website, and then you can go down here to where it says Menus, and then you can do Main Menu, which is sort of your default menu location, or if there's no menu location up here, you can do Add Menu and then create a new menu called Main Menu. Then you can just click on this, and in this particular theme, it gives you these options of where you would like this menu to show up. In this case, we want it to be the header menu. Various different themes will have different options here. And of course, you can have this menu show up in different locations, or you can add different menus that you can have in different places. And then to add an item to the menu, you can click here, Add Items, and then we've got these different places where we can add items from. So we've got posts, pages, categories, tags. So in this case, I've created some pages. So if we click on Pages, I've added these links here. So we can go ahead and just do Dust Effect, Snow Effect, Fire Effect. We can do Blog also. And so those are what the pages look like, and you can see over here they've already started adding them to the menu. And one other thing you can do with menus in WordPress is if you drag these over, just like this, oops, and you can actually create a drop-down menu. So let's see what that looks like. So we'll click Save and Publish, and then now when we hover over Dust and Effects, we get this drop-down menu here. So let's go ahead and bring it back to the way it was. So let's just click over here and we'll just drag them back over. And you know what? I realized we didn't add a homepage button, so let's go ahead and add that. Add that item. And we'll just set it to the homepage. And we'll put this first, and then of course you can just reorder it by dragging it around. So this is the first way you can create a menu in WordPress. I'm going to go ahead and delete these items, and let's look at another way. And if you wanted to save your menu, of course, you'd make sure you click Save and Publish at the top there. So if you're in your back end of your website in the dashboard, you can also go to Appearances, Menus, and then we've got the same sort of configuration here. We've got the main menu right here, so this is the menu we'd be editing. If you wanted to add a new menu, you'd simply click right here where it says Create a New Menu, but we already have one called Main Menu, so we're going to go ahead and use that. And then to add items to the menu, you just click on the items you want to add like this, and click Add to Menu. And you can see they appear here. You can reorder them just like we did in the WordPress customizers, and of course you can drag them across to have them show up underneath each other as a drop-down. And then of course you would click Save Menu when you're done, and we can go back to the front end of our website. There we go. So now we've got a menu set up for our website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make this a transparent header in the Beaver Builder theme.